We are at University of Maine's Advanced Structures and Composites Center in the test lab. Typical testing OSB is going to comprise of strength and stiffness tests. They're always really quick tests, something that you can do in a lab in an hour period or less. But none of those tests truly emulate the conditions that you're going to see in real world. Really what we try to do is follow legacy through a build. And so the first step of that would be job site conditions.
We took our subfloor and we simulated a rainstorm. The legacy OSB had a withdrawal capacity about 35% higher than the other two products.
After that, we put down strips of hardwood onto the samples, and then those samples were subjected to further humidity cycling.
The absorption and the desorption of water in legacy OSB took longer than the other two products. We did not see any significant dimensional changes with the legacy OSB at all.
After that, we actually simulated foot traffic. And so what we're doing is showing that after all that repetitive cycling, once you pull the floors off, you show that you still have the same fastener integrity as what you did when you started. So what we've seen is that there was no degradation of performance. So at the final testing, we saw the same level of performance that we did prior to cycling.